Hello all, I am Amol Chaudhary from the Department of ENTC Engineering of AISSMS IOIT Pune. In this video, I will be discussing implementation of case study of traffic light controller using Arduino. To write a program for traffic light controller, a case study on Arduino development board, first I will open IDE of Arduino. So once it is open, again, once it is open, it will give the default void setup and void loop functions. So over here, I will write my particular program. So I have written this particular program for traffic light controller. I will save it. And then from sketch menu, I will compile it. If there are no syntactical error, then there will be the message done compiling. And now after this, I will connect my particular Arduino development board with the desktop or laptop. Now I have connected Arduino development board with my desktop. Now I will go in tools and I will just check whether I have selected Arduino Uno development board in board and I have selected COM port as 3. After verifying this, I will go into the sketch and simply I will click on the upload button. After successful uploading, I will get a message of done uploading. Students, we will observe the output of traffic light controller, a case study of Arduino development. So likewise, what program we have written so that green LED will turn on first, then red LED, then yellow LED will turn on, and thereafter red LED will turn on, so that we see every day in traffic light. So similar program we have written, and accordingly you can see the particular output on this particular video. So over here, first green LED will glow, then white LED we will consider as yellow signal, and then the red one, and for 10 seconds we will keep all LEDs off. So observe this output. Now green LED will glow. After 5 seconds white LED will glow, and after 5 seconds red LED will glow, and after 5 seconds all LEDs will be turned off for 10 seconds. Okay, and similarly, as your particular LED is glowing, you will be able to see the particular message on serial terminal as well. So students, as per the output, suppose if green LED is turned on, you will see the corresponding message on serial terminal, green LED go. Whenever yellow LED will turn on, you will get a corresponding message, and whenever red LED will glow, you will get the corresponding message stop. And when all LEDs are off, you will get all off message that we have written in the program. So once green LED on, you will get message green LED glow, yellow, or in this case we have white LED, we will consider yellow LED, similar message wait, and red LED, when it is on, you will get message red LED off, stop. And once all LEDs are off, you will get message all off. I hope all of you have understood the case study of traffic light controller using Arduino. Thank you.